I have cold right now, and this two breath work has helped me a lot. First, inhale through the left nostril and forcefully just focus on exhalation continuously. Now repeat the same thing with the another nostril. Inhale and forceful exhalation. Now with both the nostril. Second pranayam is alternate nostril breathing. Inhale through the left nostril, exhale through the right, inhale through the right, exhale through the left. That's it.